Understanding of the blend uniformity and content uniformity is very much required for the professionals who are working in the industry. Sometimes it also happens that blend uniformity results meet the criteria, but with the same blend, if we do tablet compression or if we do capsule filling, then content uniformity testing fails. So why this happens? Blend uniformity and content uniformity is to ensure the product quality, meeting the regulatory requirements, and also demonstrating the consistency and product robustness. So I welcome all the viewers to this video. It will be a short video to understand the blend uniformity basics and reasons why BU test, though it is passing, CU test fails. So blend uniformity means the homogeneous distribution or even distribution of the drug substance or active ingredient, and also with the excipients in the powder blend. The solid oral formulations can be made through different techniques like wet granulation, dry granulation, slugging, roller compaction, or direct compression by blending and lubrication. So, blend uniformity is required in the blend to have homogeneous distribution of the drug substance. BU is critical for solid dosage forms like tablets and capsules, and it ensures the consistent drug delivery and the therapeutic efficacy. To meet the content uniformity requirements, assay requirements, uniformity of doses units requirement, blend uniformity is very important. See, the blend uniformity is important. The reasons behind this requirement. Consistent doses. So BU is required to prevent underdosing or overdosing. It is required to have or demonstrate therapeutic efficacy as it ensures desired therapeutic effect. Product quality. It prevents variations in the tablet content uniformity, hardness, DT time, and overall performance. Because if blend uniformity is not there, that means some excipients might be more in one tablet or lesser in another tablet. So it will also affect the hardness, disintegration, and other parameters. Resolution will become different or with more standard deviation or with variation if BU testing is not passing and CU is not passing. Then it is required to meet the regulatory compliance. Regulatory bodies mandate the strict guidelines for this blend uniformity. Now see the factors which affect the blend uniformity. First of all, I will say the manufacturing method affect the blend uniformity. If you are using methods like wet granulation, dry granulation, roller compaction, slugging or direct mixing and compression, these methods affect the BU. Then particle size and density. So whatever the excipients and APIs are coming into the manufacturing, the uneven sizes and density can hinder the mixing process, may lead to segregation, ununiform mixing, and affect the BU. Powder properties like density, flowability, and cohesiveness impact the blend. Blend properties and blend uniformity. Mixing equipment, type, and parameters of the mixer affect the uniformity. Blender design, blender fill volume has the impact. Fill level and blending time. High fill or high occupancy level, inadequate mixing time can result in incomplete blending. Over blending can lead to demixing and affect the BU. Methods to assess the blend uniformity. So content uniformity is there, visual inspection is there, sampling and analysis for the BU, blend assay and blend uniformity is there, and near IR spectroscopy is also there as a PAT tool. NIR is a rapid and non-destructive method for blend analysis. So different methods are there for blend uniformity. Always check the blend visually so that you can identify is there any agglomeration, is there any segregation or clustering in the blend. Blend uniformity testing is done by blend assay and blend uniformity. So different locations like 10, 11 locations are selected. 10 locations are selected for BU and composite blend is done for the assay testing. Then strategies to improve the blend uniformity. How you can improve the blend uniformity in the formulations. First of all, optimize the particle sizes. Select the nearby particle size to the API, or there should not be any much difference between the excipients so that the mixing can be uniform. Select appropriate mixing equipment. Select appropriate blender. Then control blending parameters like blending time, mixing time, speed and pattern. Implement in-process monitoring like NIR spectroscopy. Validate blending processes. So whenever you are going for scale up from lab scale, you should perform all the activities for blend uniformity like checking and studying various fill levels, testing for the blend uniformity, blend assay, testing for the content uniformity and assay, and also different blending times, blender speed can be evaluated. In conclusion, blend uniformity is crucial for drug quality, safety and efficacy, and poor blend uniformity can result into failure of the content uniformity. So continuous improvement and validation can help you to get the high quality products. Now coming to the scenario that blend uniformity is passing but content uniformity is failing. Sometimes it happens, and why this happens we will see. Blend uniformity is there as an in-process test to ensure the even distribution of API in the blend. Content uniformity is to test the API content in the final formulation. Sometimes it happens that BU is passing but CU is failing, and it indicates issues in the manufacturing after blending. Because up to blending process, all the parameters are okay, all the parameters are satisfactory, blend uniformity is achieved, but there might be a problem after blending operation. So causes for BU failure despite of the passing BU. First is segregation. API and excipient segregate because of the particle size differences, amount differences or level differences. That may be the reason. Poor flow properties, uneven dye filling or capsule filling can lead to CU failure. Over lubrication may lead to segregation. Long hold times, improper storage of the blender or blend can lead to CU failure. API particle size variability, weight variability during capsule filling and compression of the tablets may be responsible for CU failure. Static charges, if API is sticking to equipment, if API flow is different than the blend flow or the excipient flow, that may happen. Improper granulation, inconsistent granule size and excessive points. See, blend uniformity is done from the blender with generally 1x to 3x sample size, 3x to 5x sample size, and 5x to 10x sample size sometimes. But CU is tested on single unit. So there are high chances that sometimes because of the uneven granule size, uneven particle size, the CU may fail. How to solve this problem? So blending and handling, optimize the blending time, minimize blend transfers, and avoid overmixing. Flow improvement can be done with different excipients like aerosol, magnesium stearate. Also, you can optimize the particle size. Granulation can be improved to ensure uniform granules and to prevent excessive drying or generation of fines. Post lubrication, minimize the lubrication mixing to avoid segregation. Equipment optimization, regularly calibrate and validate the blenders, validate the filling and compression machines. Static control, ground the equipment and control the humidity. In process testing, conduct the frequent weight and CU checks. Stratified sampling is required. and stratified sampling to be done for capsule filling and for compression for the tablets. Ensuring consistency in CU. So addressing segregation, flow issues and process variability can ensure the CU compliance. Proper equipment calibration and in-process monitoring are essential for the improvement of CU. So well-controlled manufacturing process can give you high quality products and can help you to solve the problems of failure in CU, though the blend uniformity is passing. Thank you for watching the video, and let's meet soon with such kind of informative video. Thank you.